Next, let's take a look at video storage. Open the video options in the configuration. Select Storage. NLSS supports 4 types of external storage for video. 2 types can be connected directly to the gateway, and 2 types can be connected via the network. The gateway automatically detects storage devices that are connected directly to the ports on the gateway, and adds the devices to the storage list. The supported direct connections are USB storage devices. Each gateway contains multiple USB ports. An external USB disk drive or a flash drive can be connected to the gateway. eSATA storage devices. Each gateway also includes an eSATA port. It is important to note that the eSATA device must not be removed while the gateway is running. Removing an eSATA drive from a live gateway can cause problems with a gateway's operation. The gateway also supports network connections to 2 types of storage devices. Multiple network-based storage devices can be connected to a gateway. These devices must be configured from their respective interfaces before the gateway connects to them. Please consult the device's documentation for more information regarding their setup and configuration. iSCSI storage devices are manually connected to the gateway using their IP addresses. NFS storage devices are manually connected to the gateway using their network path. The storage devices are listed in the top pane of the screen. These devices include the internal drive of the gateway, plus the external drives that have been connected to the gateway. Once a device is added to the list, the item stays on the list, even if the device loses connection or the gateway is rebooted. The storage details are displayed in the bottom pane. Select the device to display its details, which include disk name, attached to gateway, the device type, and a pie chart providing a graphical representation of the device capacity usage. The only editable field is the disk name. As mentioned, a network-based storage device is not auto-discovered by the gateway and needs to be added manually. Click Add to connect an iSCSI or NFS device to the gateway. Enter a disk name. The storage configuration is determined by the type and configuration of the network-attached storage device that is used. Please consult the user guide for the device to determine the best structure to use. If an NFS disk type is selected, only a mount point needs to be entered to provide the gateway with a path to the device. iSCSI also can be selected as a disk type. A connection to iSCSI requires the device's IP address. After the iSCSI device's IP address is entered, click the plus sign to allow the gateway to connect to the storage device. Once the gateway connects to the device, the highlighted fields are available. Select the node, enter the username and password for the iSCSI device, and select LUN from the drop-down list. Click Save to keep the settings. Please refer to the iSCSI device documentation for more information on these settings. The final area to cover in video configuration is decoders. Please return to the video configuration playlist and select decoders to continue.